Hello everybody, this is Jacob Nally with the Graphite Lab, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to collect a deposit on a sold estimate inside of the mobile app application. So here we are inside the mobile application. I have three different estimates showing here that I've shown the customer, and I've sold this one for a later job. So I'm going to go ahead to this tankless upgrade. I'm going to click into it. You're going to see that's the estimate here, and I want to collect a 10% estimate, a 10% deposit, and we're just going to go ahead and say that's 700 bucks. So I'm going to do is go ahead and click Pay Deposit. I'm going to pick the payment type, and we'll select cash because that's what the customer is paying with. We can have them pay the full balance, but actually we only want them to pay the 10%. And then we are going to go ahead and just leave a for deposit memo just so that the office knows what's up. And then we'll click Pay. Which basically will just show that the payment's been approved, and then we'll go ahead and click Done. And that will log a payment against this estimate so you can see that that deposit has been taken.